is 2023. That makes you 21.
On November 30th, 2023, officers responded to a Target retail store following a loss prevention report of suspected shoplifting.
No, I went to the regular register and she scanned me out with the regular register. I have to go to 2 different registers.
I know you did. I was watching you the whole time. It's okay.
So then what's the problem? I'm not going in there, yo. Can I have the stuff that I'm not going in there. What the wow, I'm only 13 years old. You can't do this without my parents' permission.
On top of that,
Yeah, I mean, you have an issue with the scanning machine?
No, I went to the regular register and she scanned me out with the regular register.
Okay.
I didn't have an issue. She fixed it for me.
Who'd you come with?
Why does that matter?
Because there's 2 of you guys. That's
Yeah,
why it
because she
matters.
came and brought me the rest of the money.
Yeah, so who'd you come with? That way we
She
can
brought
start
me the
there.
rest of the money. Do you want to come talk to the lady that checked me out?
No, I want you to answer my question.
Let's go
Who'd
talk
you
to
come
the
with?
lady that checked me out, please, because I didn't
We'll get there.
take
We'll
anything.
get
I
there.
just literally had to go
Eventually,
to
but
the
who'd you come
second
with?
register and she helped me with the second register.
Who'd you come with?
Like the person helped me at the regular register.
We'll get there. Who did
Why
you
does
come
that
with?
matter?
Because you need to answer my question. So I
Like
need to
she
know where
has,
she's at.
it's my friend. She has to go to her kids today. It's her kid's birthday today. That's the reason why I came here. Can we come talk to the register? Because she's literally just helped me through the register. I don't see what the problem is.
All right, so you can walk through this, officer. We're going to go back in the store. I'm going to grab your shopping cart. Cool?
What?
Here, go back to the front of the store. We'll go talk to them.
We're going to go talk.
We'll go talk to them.
We're going to go talk and show you that I just had everything and paid for everything.
And then, hold on, slow down.
I'm gonna find the lady.
No, we're gonna go right here.
I'm gonna find the
No,
lady.
you're gonna come over here. Come over here now.
I can't ask the lady that just helped me at the register.
We're gonna go right here and talk to
You're
them.
going to be facing home.
Let's go. We're trying to be cool with you. Come on.
Look, there she is right there.
No.
Excuse me. Can you please tell the officer that you helped me for the and everything?
Yeah.
Like everything was fine, right?
Yeah, she paid.
Yeah.
She paid for everything.
Okay, we gotta talk to somebody over here, and then we'll get things sorted out.
Which one she didn't scan?
Pretty much. So the napkin, the Legos, this, and this stuff in here.
I have to go to 2 different registers.
I know you did. I was watching you the whole time. It's okay.
So then what's the problem?
You didn't pay.
What do you mean I didn't pay?
Yeah. So gift pack is probably going to be these, the water at the bottom, and then Wonder Shop is going to be this bag.
Okay.
Yep.
And the one she didn't pay for is
All these, this bath mat.
Dude, I got the Legos at the first one. I got the Legos at the first register.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. And she finished helping me scan me out.
Where's the receipt for that?
I don't know, it's probably there still. If you go look.
Why do you have a receipt for this and not have the receipt for the Lego?
Because I had to go to 2 different registers.
We're gonna go in here, all right?
I'm not going in there, yo. Can I have the stuff that I'm not going in there. What the dude, I didn't do anything wrong. What are you doing? Get your hands off of me.
Stop.
I didn't do anything to you. Get your hands off of me. Get your hands off of me. Get your hands off of me. Get them off of me. I didn't do anything. I paid for this stuff. Get them off of me. Get off of me. I'm only 13 years old. You can't do this without my parents' permission. I'm only 13 years old. You can't do this without my parents' permission. I'm only 13 years old. I'm only a 13-year-old. Dude, I'm literally only 13 years old, bro. You can't do this. Can I call my parents?
You can in a second. Sit down.
Because my parents won't let me. They're not here, and you can't do this to me.
You committed a crime. So knock it off.
Not if I'm only 13 years old. I'm underage. I'm underage.
Okay. Is your ID in your purse?
No, it's not.
Where is it?
I don't have it.
So you're not underage then?
Can I just take the stuff I paid for and leave?
No, we're beyond that.
You probably be cool with you.
We would have been doing that if you were cool. And
How is that being cool, yo? Like, what the?
I mean,
Like, the lady that just told you that she helped me and scan everything out. She just told you that.
She helped you scan for the things that you paid for, yeah.
what's the car shows up with?
It's going to be this purple Scion. that's sitting right out here. So if you go
But
out
she
our
literally has to go
stores,
pick up her kids, bro. She
our
literally
drive-up
took his
section is
birthday
right
today.
here, and it's just right
And
across.
she has to go pick them up.
So she's behind a silver Tacoma.
She literally has to go pick up her kids that are like little kids.
The encounter that followed produced 2 criminal charges, 2 flight attempts, and a series of officer conduct issues worth examining closely. The initial stop in the parking lot constitutes a lawful investigative detention under Terry v. Ohio, 1968. Loss prevention surveillance documenting selective scanning at self-checkout, continued concealment at a second register, and exit without full payment. Satisfies the reasonable, articulable suspicion standard required to justify a brief investigative stop. Under California Penal Code Section 488, petty theft is complete the moment a person exits a store with merchandise they did not pay for. The subject's subsequent offer to pay does not extinguish criminal liability. The offense was legally complete upon exit.
Hello, did you come with a
My friend?
friend?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. You're not in trouble, but obviously she's in trouble. I mean, I guess you sound like that. But what is her name?
I don't answer questions. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna answer
Okay,
questions.
you got identification because you actually went in there.
Yeah, I can get.
And you guys both came together?
I go to the store, they give her money.
Huh?
I went to the store to pick her money.
I'm not asking if you went into the store. I'm asking if you guys both came together.
So there's my driver's license.
Is it yes or no?
I don't
There's
answer questions,
cameras.
sir. There's fine, and that's fine. You can see on camera then that I
You
came
are
into
so
the
being
store.
uncooperative right now. Why is that?
I just
I'm
didn't
trying to be
know.
cool with you, but you give me a hard time.
But sir, I don't answer questions. Okay, then I'll just be stopped. I gave you my ID. Is there anything else I can provide you with? You want my insurance and registration? I do have that.
No, this is not the time for stop. This is a criminal offense investigation, okay?
Okay.
So you can sit there. If you're not going to answer a question, then shush.
I
Can we get an estimate on the
Yeah. feel that vacuum. I didn't even know that was down there. I was gonna go like that. Sorry. I didn't even know that vacuum was down there. I was seeing it. This day I was seeing that the vacuum was down there. All the stuff is still here. I don't understand how you guys got the stuff. Cool. Why can't I leave?
All right. Let's start with your last name, your first name, and your date of birth. Let's start there. What's your last name?
Can I please leave?
No.
I didn't leave with anything. I
Yes,
didn't
you
steal
did.
anything.
What's your last name?
Can I please leave,
You're gonna
please?
get another charge.
Please,
What's your last
just let
name?
me leave,
No.
please.
What's your last name?
Please, just let me leave.
What is your last name?
I'm just a little kid, bro.
Okay,
I'm
so they're gonna
underage.
charge you with another crime.
Dude, I'm
Underage.
Yeah, that is.
2023. That makes you 21. Get your facts straight.
Dude, I just. Dude, I want to go home. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
On top of that,
Please leave me alone. Please let me go home. Please. Please.
don't stop. 501.
Please.
Stop.
Please leave me alone. Please, Nick, help me. Nick, help me.
Okay, I'm gonna forget this thing.
Grab it. Unless you want to be involved, go to your vehicle. Get her sleeve on it.
It's like not going through.
Yeah, get her sleeve on it.
Okay.
Hold on, stop. Chill. Did anybody even say you're going to jail?
Can I pay for the stuff, please? Can I pay for it? Can I please pay for the stuff? Oh my God, you're hurting me.
Stand up. Act like an adult. Stand up. Front of the car right here. Go.
Can you grab that for me, please?
Yes, I got
Thank
it.
you.
Nobody can send it going to Let's put this shit off.
Let's check her first.
Stay right there. Spread your feet. Spread your feet.
He said I could pay for it. I'll pay for all this stuff. Can I please pay for it?
Do you have anything hidden on you?
Can I please pay for it?
Huh?
No.
Okay.
I'm gonna check this.
Can I please pay for this stuff?
Quit moving your hands.
I'll pay for it, please. No, I'll pay for it, please. Can I pay for the stuff, please?
We'll get there. Get in the car.
Please, can I buy it, please?
Sit down. Put your feet in now.
Don't buy it for it. I'll pay for it,
Go.
please. I
Watch
have
your
the
feet.
money to pay for it.
Watch your feet.
Please, can I please?
The subject's repeated claim of being 13 years old when her identification, confirmed an age of 21, constitutes a separate offense. California Penal Code Section 148.9 criminalizes the provision of false identification to a peace officer, a standalone misdemeanor. During lawful detention, subjects in most U.S. jurisdictions are legally required to identify themselves. Refusal is itself an offense under Hybel versus a 6th Judicial District, 2004. The subject's prolonged refusal to provide her name and date of birth during a lawful investigative detention added to her criminal exposure. The resisting charge under California Penal Code Section 148, subsection A1, does not require violence. It is satisfied by any act that willfully delays or obstructs an officer in the performance of their duties, including flight. Two separate incidents support this charge: the initial attempt to pull away in the parking lot, and the second escape attempt after slipping handcuffs inside the loss prevention room. The physical takedown during the second flight attempt is analyzed under Graham versus Connor, 1989. Force reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not with the benefit of hindsight. A subject who has already slipped restraints and is actively fleeing presents an elevated threat level that justifies a physical takedown under that standard. The friend's conduct at police contact demonstrates correct exercise of constitutional rights. Under the Fifth Amendment, no person is required to answer police questions. Providing a physical driver's license when requested satisfies identification obligations without waiving the right to remain silent on all other matters.
Good job. I've never tackled anyone. That was cool.
I was laughing because I'm like, she's really 13? Damn.
I know what kind of skincare, right?
That girl was laughing. She was like, did you see her? She got her. And I was like, I was watching her.
The security officer opened the door and left the door.
Slip her
open.
cuffs.
Yeah, took her cuff, but then the security officer opened the door. She pulled it.
Yeah. I was talking to Sana. I look up and I heard screaming. I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, we're probably.
But when you can 22 and it's not insane.
I'm not going anywhere. I promise you. If you need to.
So the only reason I asked is because we need to know who she is, because we don't want to burg her and charge her for concealing identity. So I just need to find out who she is, because she's going to go to jail for concealing identity, and we don't need to go that route.
I think that's her though, right? Not technically, you know what I mean? That would be up to her. You have anything, right? Not me.
Yeah, I mean, if you're a friend,
If she feels
obviously
like-
a friend was going to help her out
if
to
she
not
feels
go
like
that
I
route.
should- she feels like that's what. That's up to her.
That's my girlfriend, dude. Like, they tackled her.
That was Smoker they tackled?
Dude. I don't know.
Oh.
Well, she got. They're saying that she got locked. They're saying she shoplifted.
Oh my god. Are you kidding, dude?
Wait, you know her?
Yeah, that's my girlfriend.
The one that's in the plate?
Yeah, the girl they just had outside. I was like walking up, like, whoa, what the?
Okay, so you guys all came together?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're not gonna take her to jail, right?
Oh, she's going to jail.
Oh man, are you serious?
Yeah, this could all been avoided
Yeah.
if she would have been cooperative, but she's not being cooperative. What's your girlfriend's name?
Danny?
Huh?
Danny?
Danny?
Yeah.
What's Danny's last name? Be right back with you guys, okay?
No problem.
Hello, I'm Sergeant Munoz. We're gonna get you out and we're gonna take your pictures real quick, okay? You've already had one incident. We don't want another, okay?
I swear I won't.
Okay, thank you.
I'm so sorry.
I appreciate you.
I'm so sorry.
Let's keep it. Stand here.
Okay, go ahead and turn facing that way.
Please, I don't want to
Okay.
go to jail.
And then face the door.
This one. Towards me.
Please don't take me to jail, please.
Okay. What injuries do you have?
My rib hurts.
Your rib?
My ribs.
Okay, do you have
Which
any?
side?
My
Which side?
right side.
Okay.
Any other injuries?
My head.
Okay, where at on your head? Is it up here?
Top of my head.
Directly on top of your head?
No, my forehead.
Your forehead?
I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry.
Any injuries on hands or anything?
No, we'll take pictures anyways.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Do the other hand?
I don't want to go to jail.
The lead officer receives a B-. Investigative technique and de-escalation language were competent throughout the initial contact. However, directing a profanity at a handcuffed suspect violates post-professional conduct standards, an avoidable failure that creates administrative and civil liability exposure. The female officer receives a C+. The physical intervention was legally justified under Graham versus Connor. The grade falls on post-incident conduct. Laughing and making appearance-based remarks about a subject immediately following use of force falls below every applicable professional standard. Sergeant Munoz receives an A-. His arrival reset the professional tone of the encounter immediately. Injury documentation, verbal and on-camera, was thorough and procedurally correct. The minus reflects the supervisory obligation to curtail subordinate misconduct earlier. The subject receives a D. Every element of petty theft and resisting an officer is supported by the footage. 2 flight attempts, a false minor claim, an extended refusal to identify, each independently elevated the charges and removed any basis for a civil resolution. The friend receives a B+. She exercised her rights correctly, was not charged, and did not obstruct the investigation. The grade reflects one judgment question: providing cash to a person engaged in an active theft, while not criminal, created an unnecessary connection to the incident.
Grab it.
This wasn't improvised. Let's examine what the law authorizes and what it doesn't.
3 takeaways from this encounter. First, flight from lawful detention compounds every charge on the table. Under Illinois v. Wardlow, 2000, flight is itself a factor establishing additional suspicion, and it eliminates the possibility of a civil resolution. Second, false statements to officers during a lawful detention are independent criminal offenses. Silence is always the safer legal position. Third, Bodycam records everything after the arrest, not just during. Post-incident officer conduct carries the same professional and legal weight as conduct during the use of force itself. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police court interactions.